Assalamu alaikum students. The topic for today discussion is the bile acids or bile salts metabolism. How bile acids or bile salts are formed. The bile consists of watery mixture of organic and inorganic compounds, phosphatidylcholine or lecithin, and conjugated bile salts. They are the quantitatively most important organic components of the bile, which can either pass directly from the liver to the intestine, and in the liver the bile is synthesized, and from the liver it directly pass to the intestine, the duodenum part of the intestine, through the bile duct, where it can be stored in the gallbladder when not immediately needed for the digestion. So the bile acids or bile salts are synthesized in the liver. Precursor molecule for the bile acid synthesis is the cholesterol. Primary bile salt acids are synthesized in the liver, while the secondary bile acids, which are formed when the bile acids from the peripheral tissue move to the liver. Structural changes during the formation of bile acids are the hydroxyl group are added at the position number 2 and 3, and the reduction of the carbon numbers from 27 to 24. Then the bile acids are formed. The structure of the bile acids, it is composed of 24 carbon atoms with the hydroxyl groups. Carboxyl group of the bile acid is often conjugated with the glycine or taurine, and primary bile acids from cholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid. Cholic acid is the triol, that is, it has 3 hydroxyl groups, while the chenodeoxycholic acid, it is also the chenocholic acid. It has 2 hydroxyl groups, that is diol, at position number 3 and 7, while the cholic acid has hydroxyl group at position number 3, 7 and 12. Now, with the conjugation of the primary bile acids, they form glycocholic acid and the taurocolic acid. And now the synthesis of the bile acids from the liver. In the liver, cholesterol is hydroxylated to 7-alpha hydroxycholesterol by the key enzyme 7-alpha hydroxylase, which act on the cholesterol and convert into 7-alpha hydroxycholesterol. Then the 7-alpha hydroxycholesterol is converted into either diol, and with the oxidation of the side chain to the triol. Diol is the chenocholic acid, while the triol is the cholic acid. This is the reduction step and the hydroxylation step. Hydroxylation is the second time hydroxylation of the cholesterol. Both cholic acid and chenocholic acid form the primary bile acid. Here important point is that the bile acids concentration inhibit the key enzyme, that is 7-alpha hydroxylase, which stops the formation of the 7-alpha hydroxycholesterol. Here the double bond of the cholesterol is reduced and the further hydroxylation occurs, which result in the formation of 2 compounds called chenocholic acid and cholic acid. The bile acid with the hydroxyl group at position 3 and 7 is called chenocholic acid, while the bile acid in which the hydroxyl group present at the position number 3, 7 and 12, it is the cholic acid. Both these compounds form the primary bile acids. Now the conjugation of the bile salts. Conjugation, the formation of bile salts When the cholic acid conjugate with the glycine, bile salt that is formed is the glycocholic acid, while when the conjugation of the bile acid occur with the taurine, the tauroquinocholic acid is formed. In the conjugation step, bile salts are activated by the ATP adenosine triphosphate and the coenzyme A, which form the CoA derivatives, and then the conjugation with the glycine or taurine is formed. And glycine, which is an amino acid, forms an amide with the carboxyl group of the bile salt, forming the glycocholic acid, and in it also conjugate with the quinocholic acid. Then the compound is glycoquinocholic acid. Here the same condition for the taurine. Taurine is also form conjugate with the quinocholic acid and can be conjugated with the cholic acid, forming tauroquinocholic acid and taurocholic acid respectively. Now moving to the synthesis of the bile salts. It is the easy steps to learn by heart. In the first step, cholesterol is hydroxylated by the 7-alpha hydroxylase enzymes, and the 7-alpha hydroxycholesterol is formed. Bile acids inhibit this step if the bile acid concentration increases above normal. Then the reduction and further hydroxylation of the 7-alpha hydrocholesterol is forming 3-alpha 7-alpha diol and 3-alpha 7-alpha 12-alpha triol, which form the quinocholic acid. Diol form the quinocholic acid, while the triol form the cholic acid. Cholic acid is formed when the oxidation of the side chain occurs. Quinocholic acid then conjugates with the taurine or glycine, forming the tauroquinocholic acid and glycoquinocholic acid. Same for the cholic acid, which it conjugates with the taurine and glycine and form the taurocholic acid and glycocholic acid. Then all these acids move to the gallbladder, where it can be stored when the immediate need is not for digestion, and if then from the gallbladder they move to the intestine. In the intestine, the intestinal flora on the bile salts acts, and the action of the intestinal flora on the bile salts form the secondary bile acids, where in this step the glycine and taurine are removed, and the intestinal flora also remove the hydroxyl group from the primary bile salts. Then the deoxycholic acid and the lithocholic acid are formed, which are the secondary bile acids. Now bile salts deconjugated and dehydroxylated by the intestinal bacteria, forming the secondary bile acids. Bile salts are reabsorbed in the ileum and returned to the liver, where they can be reconjugated with glycine or taurine, but they are not rehydroxylated. They lack the 7-alpha hydroxyl group, then form the secondary bile salts. The liver recycles them, about 95% of the bile salts each day, while the 5% are removed out through feces. Liver synthesizes 0.2 to 0.6 gram per day, and recycles more than 95%. Secondary bile salts are reconjugated in the liver, while in the intestine, here the pool of the bile salts are present, which are 2 to 4 gram, and recycles 6 to 8 times per day. Bacteria or the intestinal flora in the gut deconjugate and rehydroxylate bile acids, bile salts, and less than 5% move to the or lost in the feces in the form of amount 0.2 to 0.6 gram per day are lost through the feces. So this is the metabolism or the synthesis of the bile salts